Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a certain few hairstyles with these super cute extension hair buns. They are by FESHFEN and they come in so many different colors. I'm looking which hair color fits the best to my real hair color, and once I've decided, I'm gonna start doing the first hairstyle. First hairstyle is gonna be a low bun, and for this we're gonna part the hair a little bit if you want to leave out a few front hairs, and then make a low ponytail. Once you have your low ponytail, you want to make it into a bun. It doesn't have to be perfect or beautiful since we will put the extension buns over it, but just make it tight and secure. Now take your bun extensions and put it over your real bun. I recommend doing it twice, depending on how thick your hair is and how tight you would like it, but this way it just keeps real good on my hair. The second hairstyle is a high bun. We're gonna put our hair in a high ponytail and make it a bun as well. And then we're gonna take the extensions bun and put it around twice. This hair is very easy and very pretty. The second hairstyle is a high bun. We're gonna put our hair in a high ponytail and make it a bun as well. And then we're gonna take the extensions bun and put it around twice. This hair is very easy and very pretty. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to show you how to do a half up and half down. Separate your front hairs from your other hair and then pull up half of your hair into a high ponytail. Leave the other part down. You can curl it or leave it straight. Make the ponytail into a bun and then put over your bun extensions. I use it twice here too. And here you are. Style number 4 is a low side bun. So we're going to put our hair into a low side ponytail and then make it into a bun again. Take your extension bun, wrap it around twice, and you're done. Style number 5 is a super cute and playful space buns. These are especially nice with the extensions, so you can make them very big and very fluffy. I really enjoyed it about the extensions. So first put your hairs into two twin tails on each side, try to make it about the same height, and then make them into little buns again. Then take your hair extensions, wrap them around your buns on each side twice, and you're finished. The last hairstyle is really great if you want a bun with a lot of volume. We're gonna use two hair pieces and repeat the steps for the normal bun. And then we're gonna just put these two all over the top. And for this one, I only do it once, and then you have a beautiful high bun.